Hi, Johnny from SongWriters Chop Shop here. If we want an audience to connect with our songs, what better way to do this than having their own imagination do all the work? The iceberg theory was made popular by American writer Ernest Hemingway. It basically states that powerful writing comes when the deeper meaning is implied rather than shoved in your face. He did this by using economy of words. Check out one of his short stories. It goes like this: for sale, baby shoes, never worn. Notice what is not written actually says more than what is written. Story's meaning is implied. By not giving the listener too much information, their imagination will fill in the blanks. And we can apply the same tactics to our lyrics. A song has harmony, melody and rhythm that are also conveying emotion and meaning. A lyric that is too wordy can get in the way of all these other elements. With the iceberg theory, we can be both vague and specific with our lyrics, allowing plenty of space for the listeners to fill in the blanks. Catch you next time.